Hello students, in different fields of mathematics we have different types of requirements. Like in calculus, we are interested in measuring the change in one variable with respect to the change in the other variable when these two variables are connected, especially by function. This relative change is called rate of change of one variable with respect to the change in the other variable. Change in the dependent variable y with respect to the change in the independent variable x. Now, there are two ways to measure this change. We have in fact two types of changes. One is average change over an interval of independent variable, and the other is instantaneous change at some point. Let's understand this with the help of one continuous function. Here we have graph of continuous function y is equal to fx. Okay, function is continuous, means function is well defined at each point and has limiting value equal to value of function at that point. फंक्शन हर एक पॉइंट पे कंटिन्यूस है, यानी कि हर एक पॉइंट पे फंक्शन वेल डिफाइंड है और उस पॉइंट पे फंक्शन का वैल्यू उसके लिमिटिंग वैल्यू के इक्वल है. ओके, नाउ कंसीडर सम फिक्स्ड पॉइंट a on the curve having coordinates x comma fx and variable point b to the right of a having coordinates x plus h comma f of x plus h. Here h is positive, okay, because we are considering point b to the right of it. Okay, now we join these 2 points. We have a second line AB. Slope of this second line is line AB is f of x plus h minus f of x over x plus h minus x. This is equal to f of x plus h minus f of x over h. Okay, this is change in value of fx. It is denoted by delta fx. Delta fx means change in value of fx. This h is change in value of x, means delta x. Okay, so we have ratio delta fx over delta x. This ratio is called average change in value of fx or value of y with respect to change in value of x over an interval. We have interval x to x plus h. इस इंटरवल में ये रेशियो fx का x के रिस्पेक्ट में एवरेज चेंज है. ठीक है, नाउ वी ड्रॉ टेंजेंट टू कर्व एट पॉइंट ए. वी हैव अ यूनिक टेंजेंट लाइन एट पॉइंट ए. ओके, नाउ लेट्स फाइंड स्लोप ऑफ दिस टेंजेंट. इस टेंजेंट का स्लोप निकालते हैं. We have a second line AB and a tangent to curve at point A. Okay, now to get the slope of tangent, what we do, we shift this point B along the curve towards A and put it so close to A that it's become difficult to distinguish these points. अब पॉइंट बी को पॉइंट ए के इतना क्लोज लेके आते हैं कि जिससे इन दोनों पॉइंट्स को अलग अलग दिखाना हमारे लिए मुश्किल हो जाएगा. अगर आप इसको माइक्रोस्कोप में देखेंगे, इफ यू सी इन द माइक्रोस्कोप देन वी विल बी एबल टू सी दिस टू डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स. ओके, बट ऑन दिस स्केल दिस पॉइंट्स सीम्स टू बी ऑलमोस्ट कोइंसिडेंट, नॉट एग्जैक्टली कोइंसिडेंट, ऑलमोस्ट कोइंसिडेंट. पॉइंट बी पॉइंट ए के बहुत ही पास है. ओके, means here value of h is approaching to 0. When h approaches to 0, point B come very close to point A. Okay, and second AB almost coincide with the tangent. Second AB जो है वो tangent के साथ coincide कर जाएगा. Okay, that means slope of tangent to curve at point A will be slope of second AB when h approaches to 0. Slope of tangent will be limiting value of this when h approaches to 0. Okay, so we have slope of tangent is equal to limit h tends to 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x over h, or limit h tends to 0 of delta fx over delta x. This is slope of tangent. This is a limiting value of this ratio. Okay, this is called dfx by dx. इसको हम लिखते हैं dfx by dx. dx means infinitely small change in value of x, in value of independent variable, and this is infinitely small change in value of function. Okay, this ratio is called derivative of fx with respect to x. This is called derivative of fx with respect to x. This is also dy by dx, because y is equal to fx. Okay, we can write like this also, d by dx of y, or d by dx of fx, derivative of fx or y with respect to x. This is instantaneous change in the value of y with respect to x at point A. ये point A पे y का x के respect में instantaneous change है. This ratio is average change over this interval. Okay, and this ratio is instantaneous change of y with respect to x at point A. ठीक है? This derivative is also written like this and read as y prime or y dash. Then this is f prime x or f dash x. Okay, sometimes we write y1 means first derivative of y with respect to x. We are differentiating function fx first time. This is called first derivative. Okay, so we write y1. Now this is called first definition or first principle of derivative. Study of derivative starts with this limit, so this is called first definition or first principle of derivative, and this process of finding derivative is called differentiation. ठीक है, ये जो प्रोसेस है हम उसको क्या कहते हैं, डिफरेंशिएशन कहते हैं. एंड डेरिवेटिव ऑफ फंक्शन with respect to x is actually slope of tangent to the curve. ठीक है, फंक्शन का जो डेरिवेटिव है वो क्या रिप्रेजेंट करता है, इट रिप्रेजेंट्स स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट टू द कर्व. दिस रिप्रेजेंट्स स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट टू कर्व एट पॉइंट ए. ओके, नाउ इन दिस इफ यू रिप्लेस x प्लस एच विथ y, x प्लस एच को हम y से रिप्लेस करते हैं, x plus h is now y. Okay, then this limit changes to when h approaches to 0, y will approach to x. So this limit will be limit y tends to x of f of y minus f of x over y minus x. Okay, we can put this in this form. Okay, now here point B is approaching to point A from its right hand side. We can have point B to the left of A also. Point B A के left में भी हो सकता है. Okay, so consider here point B to the left of A having coordinates x minus h comma f of x minus h. Here h is positive, so point B lies to the left of it. Okay, now slope of second line AB is slope of the second line is f of x minus h minus f of x over x minus h minus x means minus h. Okay, now if we move point B along the curve towards A and make h tends to 0, then second AB will almost coincide with the tangent line. Okay, so slope of this tangent line will be limiting value of this ratio. Okay, so we have slope of tangent line is equal to limit h tends to 0 of this. Again, this is slope of tangent to curve at point A. Okay, here in this case point B is approaching to A from its right hand side. Okay, so this derivative is called right hand derivative. This is called right hand derivative. We write RHD. Okay, and for this limit, point B is approaching to point A from its left hand side. Okay, so this is called left hand derivative. इसको हम कहते हैं left hand derivative and we write LHD. Okay, and we can see that here when h approaches to 0, second AB has tendency to become tangent to curve at point A, whether B is coming from its right hand side or from its left hand side. Okay, and we have a unique tangent at point A. Tangent line is always unique. Okay, if it exists, then these two values will be same. पॉइंट ए पे ये दोनों वैल्यूज सेम होंगे क्योंकि टेंजेंट लाइन तो यूनिक होता है. ठीक है, सो एट पॉइंट ए वी हैव एल एच डी इज इक्वल टू आर एच डी. एट पॉइंट ए फंक्शन इज कंटिन्यूअस एंड हैज अ लेफ्ट हैंड डेरिवेटिव इक्वल टू राइट हैंड डेरिवेटिव. इन दैट केस वी से दैट फंक्शन इज डिफरेंशिएबल एट दैट पॉइंट. यहाँ पे पॉइंट ए पे फंक्शन डिफरेंशिएबल होगा. डिफरेंशिएबल मीन्स फंक्शन हैज डेरिवेटिव एट दैट पॉइंट. ठीक है, देन व्हाट इज द कंडीशन फॉर डिफरेंशिएबिलिटी? फंक्शन मस्ट बी कंटिन्यूअस एंड मस्ट हैव एल एच डी इज इक्वल टू आर एच डी. इन फैक्ट एट ईच पॉइंट ऑन द कर्व function is differentiable. At each point we can draw a unique tangent to the curve because curve is smooth. Okay, such function is called differentiable function. A differentiable function has derivative at each point in the domain. डोमेन के हर एक पॉइंट पे फंक्शन को टेंजेंट अवेलेबल है, टेंजेंट ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, तो हम उस फंक्शन को कहते हैं differentiable function. Okay, now in this chapter we are interested in finding derivative of function using first definition of derivative and using different rules. Okay, so we will be handling mostly differentiable functions. हम मोस्टली डिफरेंशिएबल फंक्शंस को हैंडल करेंगे जिसका डेरिवेटिव हम इस डेफिनेशन से या फिर डेरिवेटिव के रूल से निकाल सकते हैं. ओके